Online courses provide a flexible learning opportunity for individuals with busy schedules, offering a wide range of options in terms of duration, subjects, and disciplines. Whether you're seeking to earn academic credits, acquire new skills, or stay updated with training, online courses are a valuable choice. When it comes to free online courses, they may not substitute traditional education entirely, but they do offer several advantages. In this video, we'll delve into some of the best free online courses to assist you in discovering a cost-effective educational experience. Let's begin the journey. Before you start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. An Introduction to Interactive Programming in Python, Rice University. This two-part course is designed to help students with very little or no computing background learn the basics of building simple interactive applications. Our language of choice, Python, is an easy-to-learn, high-level computer language that is used in many of the computational courses offered by Rice University. To make learning Python easy, we have developed a new browser-based programming environment that makes developing interactive applications in Python simple. These applications will involve windows whose contents are graphical and respond to buttons, the keyboard, and the mouse. In Part 1 of this course, we will introduce the basic elements of programming, such as expressions, conditionals, and functions, and then use these elements to create simple interactive applications such as a digital stopwatch. Part 1 of this class will culminate in building a version of the classic arcade game Pong. Number 2. IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. IBM Data Science Professional Certificate course helps you to pursue a career in machine learning or data science to develop career-relevant skills and experience. This course bundle consists of 9 online data science courses that will provide you with the latest job-ready tools and skills, including open-source tools and libraries, SQL, data visualization, data analysis, predictive modeling, and machine learning algorithms. You will also learn data science through hands-on practice in the IBM cloud using various data science tools and real data sets. After the end of this data science course, you will have built a portfolio of data science projects to which helps you to plunge into the profession in data science. Total duration of course is 10 months. After this, you are provided with the certificate of completion the course. Number 3. Inbound Marketing Certification by HUBSPOT Academy. From attracting leads to engaging prospects and delighting customers, this course covers the fundamentals of what inbound marketing is all about. It's ideal for new graduates who'd like to go into marketing, or for any experienced professional who's considering shifting into a marketing career. It will give you the foundational knowledge you need to move into any marketing job. Through interactive lessons, you'll learn how to create accurate buyer personas using HubSpot tools and map out your buyer's journey to develop impactful content that drives action. Specifically, this course is recommended to new marketing professionals and experienced non-marketing professionals shifting into marketing. Number 4. Digital Marketing Specialization. Digital Marketing Specialization is a bundle of 7 course certificates developed by Illinois. This course includes topics like digital marketing analytics, search engine optimization, social media marketing, and 3D printing. It is an online certificate course that can be completed in about 8 months. It helps you to learn intermediate and advanced level skills in the field of digital marketing. Moreover, once you complete these digital marketing courses, you will have the opportunity to apply the skills to a real-life capstone project setup in partnership with Granger. This course duration is almost 8 months to complete. Number 5. Stanford Introduction to Statistics. Stanford's Introduction to Statistics teaches you statistical thinking concepts that are essential for learning from data and communicating insights. By the end of the course, you will be able to perform exploratory data analysis, understand key principles of sampling, and select appropriate tests of significance for multiple contexts. You will gain the foundational skills that prepare you to pursue more advanced topics in statistical thinking and machine learning. Topics include descriptive statistics, sampling and randomized controlled experiments, probability, sampling distributions and the central limit theorem, regression, common tests of significance, resampling, multiple comparisons. Number 6. Quantum Mechanics for Everyone. Quantum Mechanics for Everyone is a 6-week-long MOOC that teaches the basic ideas of quantum mechanics with a method that requires no complicated math beyond taking square roots. Quantum theory is taught without dumbing down any of the material, giving you the same version experts use in current research. We will cover the quantum mystery of the two-slit experiment and advanced topics that include how to see something without shining light on it, quantum seeing in the dark, and bunching effects of photons, Hong-Au-Mandel effect. Number 7. Wearable devices and computer vision. This course is provided by Harvard University. In this, we introduce the basic concepts of embedded systems programming, wearable devices, interfaces with motion and environmental sensors via Bluetooth, and integration of computer vision algorithms for augmented reality in wearable devices via video and pictures. Applications are in the field of augmented reality systems, including wearable devices such as helmets, contacts, headsets, and AR glasses. This course covers the theoretical background of the concepts used and provides step-by-step tutorials for hands-on learning, where students gain confidence developing reference designs which give them ideas of how to propose their own ideas and projects. We cover an introduction to image processing and computer vision architectures based on convolutional neural networks and object detection, image segmentation, and synthesis. Number 8. CS50's Introduction to Computer Science. This is the course Harvard University provides. Like CS50's Introduction to Computer Science is an entry-level computer science. The self-paced course includes 12 weeks of learning that explore thinking algorithmically and solving problems efficiently. It discusses topics like algorithms, C language, computer science and programming, concepts abstraction, CSS, data structures, encapsulation, HTML, JavaScript, Python, software engineering, SQL, and web development. Number 9. Race and Cultural Diversity in American Life and History. University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign offers free certification in an online course about race and cultural diversity in American life and history. There are 4 modules in this course. Race and ethnicity are ideological and cultural categories that include all groups and individuals. Hence, this course is designed in significant part to take a broad look at the ideology of race and cultural diversity in America's past and present. The primary focus is on the historical and social relationships among European Americans, Native Americans, African Americans, Latinos or Latinas, and Asian or Pacific Americans. Number 10. Georgia Institute of Technology. Georgia Institute of Technology has been offering online courses since 2012. Since then, 3.3 million people have enjoyed these world-class courses in a wide range of topics. Here are a few you might enjoy. Data Analytics in Business. This course helps you to understand data and business analytics. It then gives you the opportunity to apply these business analytics algorithms and methodologies to real-world business datasets. Innovation Leadership. A 6-week course for anyone looking to become an innovation leader. You'll learn why innovation leaders are essential for growth and how to become one. Supply Chain Principles. This 15-hour course is a great introduction for anyone looking to pursue a career in the supply chain. It will help you gain an understanding of the extended supply chain and make you aware of the career paths available to you. We hope you liked this video. If you have any question, please leave us a comment. Till then, goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video.